Okay. So, let's start. Good evening, everyone. So, income disclaimer po muna tayo, no? This is not a guarantee of income. Yung results ko po dito are not typical and result of consistent effort, skill, and action over time. So, your success with Safe Club or any business depends on your work ethics, dedication, and ability to follow through. Okay? Not all. Okay? Again, not all affiliates will earn income. And no earnings are promised or guaranteed, especially yung mga abangers. So we do not recommend dito yung mga earn without invite. So always do your own due
Labas
diligence
ka pa?
before joining any opportunity. Okay? So i-mute ko muna kayo lahat, no?
Yan mo ko. Yan mo.
Sorry. Wala akong audio. Sorry. Nasama pala ako sa nasama pala ako sa walang audio. Okay, balikan ko ha. I am Coach Judah Horda, Diamond rank po sa Live Good. Okay? So I'm a former police officer. Okay, na-invite, nag-diamond sa loob ng kulungan. Okay? I am also a 200,000 club member. Sa peso po, that is 11.4 million. Yun po yung result natin dito na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Okay? Kasi si Save Club is the same with Live Good. Pareho lahat. Okay? Replay na lang po namin ito ni Coach Adonis. Okay? So, 25 years in experience in MLM. Kaya hindi po hindi po ito pagyayabang pero if you are into this industry for quite some time, hindi man kayo naging successful, pero ito po yung magiging niyo po daan. Ito po yung magiging stepping stone nyo sa success nyo. Okay? So, I am also the founder of Team Blue Dragon. Ito po yung pinakamalaking grupo under Coach Harold. Okay? Kami po yung pinakamalaking grupo ni Coach Adonis sa leg ni Coach Harold. Okay? So, I have here monthly income in Live Good. Okay? Hindi po ko ito pinagyayabang. Gusto ko po yung ko kayong ma-inspire. Okay? Gusto ko po kayong ma-inspire na kumita rin ng ganito. Okay? So, this is the monthly income. Wait. Sorry. Ayan. So, nakikita nyo dito, that is my income on October 2023. That is 467,000. Okay? So, 467,000. By November, that is 475,000. Live po yan live po yan. Hindi ko po yan, hindi ko po gawa yan. So, by December, 462,000. And December, and by January, 400,000. 450,000. Okay? Coach Judah, bakit nyo po pinapakita live good income po nyo yan? Okay? Live good income daw po nyo yan. Coach, I'm sorry, hindi po ako techie pagdating sa live, no? Hindi ko siya ma-address. So, kaya ko po ito sinishare, kaya ko po pinapakita sa inyo yung income natin sa Live Good. It's because pareho po ito. Yung Save Club at Live Good is pareho po yung sistema niya. Pareho po lahat, halos lahat. Kung meron po mga member dito, alam niyo po, hindi niyo po madi-deny, no? Hindi niyo po madi-deny, this is Live Good din po. Okay? So, yun. So, what is, Save Club? Save Club po is a US-based company. Then, to be launched on June 1, 2025. Ila-launch pa lang si Save Club sa US. Imagine niyo po, pag may nagbubukas na US company dito sa Pilipinas, okay? Pag meron pong gustong, pinag-aagawan po namin yan. Ha? Gusto po namin, may music sa background. Okay, sorry. Hindi ko coach, sorry. Anyway, hindi po ako techie. Wag niyo muna sigurong i-live coach. Magpapadala po ako sa inyo ng recorded video. Okay? So, yun. So, available po si Safe Club in more than 180 plus countries. Okay? So, our vision is to make this financial freedom accessible to everyone. Okay? So, our mission is simple: to save more, earn more, and get greater value than the cost of your membership. So, Save Club po is founded by Charles Moy. So, prior to Save Club, si founder CEO Charles Moy is into this industry na for 20 years. Okay? So, hindi po siya baguhan. So, nakipag-partner po siya kay Ben Glensky, the CEO of Live Good, para to make this opportunity possible. So our platform is available to people all over the world, allowing anyone, anywhere to register and start enjoying all the benefits. So this is your chance to be one of the first. Okay? Hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas, kundi to the whole world. Bakit? Kasi si Save Club is magbubukas pa lang po sa US by June 1. And nandito na po tayo, nakaposition na po tayo. So join this revolution and build something extraordinary from the very beginning. Okay? Napaka-swerte nyo po na nandito po kayo sa Zoom, na kasama po kayo dito, and you are one of the pioneer na nalaman si Save Club. Pasalamatan niyo po dito yung mga nag-invite sa inyo. Say thank you. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po, they care for you. Okay? Say thank you. Okay? So, about Save Club products is lang po, simple, offers affordable and high value product. So lahat po ng product natin is digital, and it will connect you to thousands of exclusive discounts, offers around the world. Okay? So yung product po natin dito kay Safe Club is hotels, inns, cruises, airline tickets, parks, restaurants, retail stores, cinemas, pharmacies, and online store. Okay? So, hindi po tayo kompetensya ni Live Good. Okay? Nakita nyo? We are not different po yung product natin. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa market natin, sobrang dami po market natin. Ang dami na pong nagtra-travel abroad. Dami na pong sumasakay ng eroplano. Di ba? Okay? So, mga retail stores, we can save from our expenses. Okay? Klaro? So, how to become Save Club member? Okay, very simple lang po. We have two options. We have in a monthly of $80 or 4,800. Okay? Or your second option natin is annual of 300,000 ay $300, sorry, or 18,000. Ano po yung difference po nila? Pareho po siya, makakapag-access kayo to all discounts and savings. Pero pag nag-annual po kayo, we call it VIP membership. Okay? Mayroon po kayong additional earnings, may additional kita po kayo dito to be explained later. Okay? So, yung payment natin, pwede pong credit card, debit card, or kung wala po kayong debit card, credit card, you can send it to me through GCash, Paymaya, Coins.ph, BPI, and Como. Okay? Tumatanggap din po ako ng entry from Live Good Credit Wallet. Okay? Kukonvert po natin yan to entry dito kay Save Club. Okay? So, yung benefits, advantage natin with Save Club, no mandate po tayo pilitan to book a hotel, to book an airlines or anything, wala po. No auto ship, no team sales quota, no points monitoring, no flash out, no personal sales required. Okay? So lahat ng business dealings natin, we can do it online, offline. Okay? Or you can do it through your cell phone, laptops, iPads, okay, and desktop. And you can do this anywhere in the world. Okay? Gusto niyo ba yung negosyong ganyan? Na kahit saan po kayo, you can do your business. Okay? We have 5 ways to get paid with Save Club. Ano po yon? So first, meron po tayong generational coded fast start commission. When we say generational, generation po ang pinag-uusapan dito, hindi level. Okay? So, lahat ng mga direct nyo po na nag-sign up ng $80, meron po kayong referral fee of $20 or 25%. That is 1,200 pesos. And that is unlimited. Wala pong limit yan kung ilan po yung i-invite nyo dito. Okay? Let's say you have referred 10 person, you will earn $200. Ang maganda dito, hindi nyo po aantayin ng monthly. Okay? Hindi nyo po aantayin the end of the month, kundi sales mo from Monday to Sunday. Okay? Ay, sorry. Saturday to Friday, cut off natin. Next Friday, commission na po. Okay? So, klaro ha? So, when we say generational coded fast start commission, aside from 25% or $20, pag nag-star rank po kayo, nag-1 star po kayo, paano po mag-1 star? Dalawa lang po, okay? Nag-invite lang po kayo ng dalawa, automatic you are 1 star. So pag 1 star po kayo, may override po kayo sa lahat ng hindi pa 1 star under your genealogy. Ibig sabihin, mayroon po kayong 5% or $4 sa mga hindi nagwa 1 star under your network. Okay? Gets nyo? So, once you hit another rank of 2 star, okay? Yung rank natin requirement dito from 2 star to 5 star is 4 lang po, okay? 4 lang po ang kailangan yung direct. And a total of 20, okay, you are 2 star. Mayroon na naman po kayong additional 4% or $3.20. So, ang maganda dito, kung ikaw pa lang po yung 2 star, okay? Or direct mo yung isang tao, okay? Direct mo siya, you will earn $20 plus $4 and $3.20. Nagets nyo? Habang wala pang nagtu-2-star sa baba mo, lahat ng nagjo-join sa'yo, mayroon po kayong override na 4%. Di ba? Maganda or magandang-maganda. Di ba? So, on the third rank natin is the 3-star. Okay? Again, from 2-star to 5-star, you only need 4 directs. Okay? And i-meet nyo lang po yung 100 member, you are 3-star. Mayroon na naman po kayong additional 3% or $2.4. The same with pag 4-star, a total of 500, okay? Or mayroon po kayong 2% or $1.60, and 5-star naman, you have additional 1% or 0.80. Alam nyo maganda dito? Kung 5-star po kayo, and lahat ng direct nyo pumasok, may na-invite kayong isa, okay? From $20, $4, $3.20, $2.40, $1.6, $0.80 sayong-sayo po lahat 'yan. 'Di ba? So, kayo ang magde-decide how much you want to earn. Okay? Ang sekreto po dito, coaches, hit the highest rank as fast as you can. Bakit? Nagtatapon po kayo ng pera. Okay? Nagtatapon po kayo ng pera since hindi naman po kayo nag-hit ng rank, napupunta pa sa upline nyo. Okay? Napupunta yung supposed to be sa inyo. Gets nyo? So, hit the highest rank as fast as you can. Okay? So, next is our matrix commissions. Ito, malupit. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pwede tayong kumita ng 500,000 starting next month. Naniniwala po kayo, coaches? Naniniwala kayo? Type 1 kung naniniwala po kayo. Coaches, sino po sa inyo gusto kumita ng 500,000 starting next month? Okay, patype po ako ng 1. Hello, hello, hello. Si Coach Ben lagi, ha? Coach Rod. Hello, hello. Dalawa lang. Dalawa lang ba? Yes. So, starting next month, okay? Starting next month, kung lahat na nandito sa Zoom isusundan yung 16 days challenge ko, lahat tayo dito, lahat ng affiliate dito kay Save Club, ang minimum earnings is 500,000 pesos. Gusto niyo po ba yun, Coach? Okay? Gusto niyo yon? Okay, ready? So, lahat ng mag-join dito kay Save Club, we have 2 by 2 by 16. When we say 2 by 2 by 16 matrix, ito po yung kailangan lang natin dito, dalawang tao lang. Okay? Dalawang tao lang, each and every one of us. Magtulungan po tayo, di ba? Tayo ang magbi-build ng matrix natin. Hindi po si upline. Tayo, okay? Kung gusto mong kumita ng 500,000 starting next month, so dapat mag-ambag po kayo ng dalawa. Gets nyo? Ganon lang naman kasimple. Okay? Dalawang tao lang iaambag nyo. Lahat. Tayo. Dalawang tao lang iaambag natin. Okay? If we do that in a daily basis, if we say daily basis, ikaw nag-join ka ngayon, nag-invite ka kagad ng dalawa. Okay? Then, yung dalawa, tomorrow nag-invite din ng tagda-dalawa. Gets nyo? In 16 days, okay, mabubuo natin yung 2 by 2 matrix. Gets nyo? Mabubuo natin in 16 days. Alam nyo po ba kung magkano kikitain natin pag nabuo yung matrix natin? That is 65,535. Okay? So, pero, mayroon po yan, pero, pag hindi po kayo nag 5-star, hindi po kayo kikita ng ganong kalaki. So, what if, coach? Okay, paano po ba kumikita dito? Ito po, kukunin po yan sa mga lahat ng mga active member na nagbabayad ng subscription ng $20. Okay? Pag nagbayad yung dalawa nyong direct ng $20, mayroon po kayong 0.50 kada isa. Kaya sa level 1 mo, may $1 ka na agad. On level 2, mayroon ka na naman $2. Until 16 level, that is a total of 65,000. So, according to Save Club, lahat ng magjo-join dito kay Live Good, with or without invite, you are entitled to 2 by 2 is $4,095. Coach, bakit ang laki? Sa Livegood, $2,000 lang. Kasi sa Livegood, $995 lang po per month. Guess nyo? But, ang napakaganda dito, pag mayroon po kayong invite, okay? Ito yung challenge ko sa inyo. If all who join invite 2 people in a day, you will complete your 2 by 16 matrix in just 16 days. Ibig sabihin, coaches, lahat tayo, pag nag-contribute tayo ng tagda-dalawa, okay, in 16 days, lahat tayo next month, 500,000 po ang earnings natin. Bakit? Kasi automatic you are 1 star. Okay? From $4,095, ang matrix na matatanggap mo is $8,000. Okay? Katumbas po yan ng magkano? Magkano, coaches? Katumbas po yan ng 491,460. Okay? Gets nyo? So, the purpose of this business is to create a customer that create customer. So, kung meron po mag-join sa inyo na hindi naman lang hindi naman lang tawag nito, magko-cooperate, okay? Hindi man lang ayaw niya mag-invite, gusto niya lang mag mag-join, gusto niya lang na earn without invite, wag niyo na pong pasalihin. Okay? So, what we're looking for ng mga business partners is mga seryoso. Okay? Seryoso na gustong gawin yung negosyo. Gustong kumita ng 500,000 next month. Okay? Gets nyo? So, kung meron po mag-join sa inyo na hindi naman lang siya contribute ng dalawa, wag na. Masisira lang po yung relationship nyo. Di ba? Tama o mali? Okay? So, dito, pinakita ko sa inyo, pwede tayong kumita ng 500,000 sa dalawang tao lang. Magkano puhunan, coach? 4,800 pesos lang. Okay? Maghanap po kayo ng negosyo sa halagang 4,800. Okay? Pwede po ba kayong kumita next month ng 500,000? Hello, 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 hello. Wala, di ba? So, this is it. And ang maganda dito, hindi po nagtatapos sa 500,000. Okay? Ako pag kumita na tayo lahat ng 500,000 next month, ewan ko lang kung hindi kayo magdadagdag ng dalawa para ma-maximize nyo yung earnings to 65,535. Do you agree, coaches? Hindi po ba kayo magsisipag? Baka mag-invite kayo ng mag-invite na mag-invite. Tama mali? Hello, hello, hello. So, ayun. So, sa Matrix Commission pa lang,
Tama, Coach.
malaki na po ang mararating natin. Di ba? Pinapakita ko lang, this is doable. Kung nagawa po namin ito ni Coach Adonis, magagawa po natin lahat ito.
Yes.
Okay? Kailangan lang po natin mangarap, balikan niyo po yung bakit po kayo nagsimula into this business. Maghanap po kayo ng greatest why nyo. Bakit nyo ginagawa ito? Okay? Klaro? So, Coach Judah, paano po kami kumita sa unrank? Okay? Again hindi ko po ito pinopromote. Bakit? Hindi po ito applicable to everyone. Pero may system po kasi si Live Good. May system din po kasi si Save Club, parehong pareho, na pwede kang kumita kahit wala kang invite. Paano po yun, Coach? Very simple lang po. If This is me, okay? Ako, 1 star, and this is you, okay? This is you. Hindi po kayo nag-invite, pero ako, talagang super sipag ko. Nag-invite pa ako ng 4. Wala pong paglalagyan na imbayan kundi sa baba ko. Okay? So, good for you. Hindi po kayo gumalaw, pero since ako masipag, magkaroon kayo ng left and right. And luckily, yung naibigay sa'yo na spillover, masisipag din, then you will earn $50 each without with or without direct. Gets nyo? For every member who has paid their monthly subscription worth $20, you will earn 0.50. Nagets nyo? So let us say, mayroon po kayo sa baba nyo na 40 members affiliate. So 40 times 0.50, that is $20 or 1,200 pesos. Ngayon, kung 1,000 member po yan, automatic, mayroon po kayong 0.50 times 1,000, that is $500 or 30,000 pesos. Nakita nyo? But again, we do not promote. Okay? Swertehan lang po ito na earn without invite. And bakit po kayo maghihintay ng spillover na pwede nyo naman po gawa ng paraan para makamit nyo pangarap nyo? Tama, mali? 2 tao lang, oh. 2 tao. Why should we wait? Na pwede naman natin gawin. Di ba? Pwede naman, wag nyong ipaubaya sa upline nyo. Okay? Guess nyo? Then, meron tayong tinatawag na generational matching bonus. Okay? Very simple lang po ito. Sample, I am at 3-star. Ayan, 3-star po ako. Nag-invite po ako ng 4 na direct na kumita po siya ng tagpo $4,000. Ayan. So, lahat po yon, since ako po yung direct, kikita po ko ng 20% doon. Plus ha, plus, kasi 3-star rank na po ako, mayroon pa po akong 12%, mayroon pa akong 10% and 5%. Alam niyo po ba kung magkano kita ko kada isang referral ko? Mayroon po akong 1,880 each referral ko. That is a total of 7,520 or 451,200. Imagine nyo po, kung instead of 2 lang in-invite nyo, ginawa nyong 4, 1 million. 1 million ang naghihintay sa atin buwan-buwan. Di ba? Nagets nyo? So, very simple lang po yung illustration na yan, pero very powerful. Okay? Then, our next earning natin is VIP membership bonus. Ano po yung VIP membership bonus? Ito po yung mga member na nagbayad ng annual or $300. Sa wala na kayong problemahin in a monthly subscription, mayroon pa kayong additional earnings. Ano po 'yon? You will earn $10 sa lahat na nagjo-join ng VIP membership or nagbayad ng $300 din. Mayroon po kayong $10. Okay? Ang maganda dito, pag lahat ng nag-join sa inyo, okay? Lahat na nag-join sa inyo na nag $300 direct nyo or indirectly, pwede po kayong kumita ng $10. Sample, coach, ako is a VIP member po ako. Okay, gets nyo? VIP member po ako. Direct ko, sabihin natin si Coach Adonis, hindi po siya nagbayad ng annual, nag $80 lang po siya. Pag may nagbayad po under sa kanya, direct niya, even nasa 3rd level, 4th level, 5th level ng VIP membership, okay, kikita po ako ng $10. Why ako? It's because wala pa po, hindi pa po nag-VIP membership si Coach Adonis. Okay? As long wala pang nag-VIP membership sa baba mo, you earn $10. Malalim po yun, Coach, kasi ang tinatawag natin is generation. Let us say si Coach Adonis is VIP member na po siya. Nagbayad din po siya ng 300. Okay? Sa lahat ng nasa baba niya, first generation may $10 siya. And ako may $5 ako. Gets nyo? Up to third generation. Coach, totoo po ba? Totoo po ba yan? Yes. Alam nyo po, in 1 week time, yung upline natin, si Miss Kelly, okay? Diamond sa Live Good sa US, kumita po siya ng VIP bonus ng $242. Grabe, di ba? 1 week lang po yan, coaches. Imagine nyo po, ito po yung malaking potential natin. And in just 1 week, dito kay Save Club, may kumita na po agad ng $3,248. Woohoo! Di ba? So, next is our monthly leadership bonus pool. Alam niyo po ba, starting at 2-star, ha? 2-star. When we say 2-star, ano requirement ng 2-star? 4 na direct, a total of 20 people, you have global leadership bonus pool of 1%. Eh, alam niyo po ba, silver lang po yan sa Live Good? Di ba? So, starting from 2-star, may 1% na po kayo. May kita na po kayo na 1% sa global shares. Imagine niyo po ito, in my 1 week, dahil nag 2-star ako, kumita ako ng 59.26 sa akin po yan. Okay? Eto, yung 3-star or 1%, eto naman kay Christopher Hopkins, Diamond, Live Good Diamond din sa US, kumita siya ng $311. And 4-star, yung 1%, last month, eto kay Miss Kelly, $622. Imagine nyo po yan. Grabe. Okay? So, up to 5-star. Kung sa Live Good, Diamond lang po ang nakikinabang, here, dito, kay Save Club, starting from 2-star, makikinabang na po kayo ng 1% global share. Meaning, coaches, lahat ng member natin dito, they will be motivated to hit the rank. Tama mali? And if everyone is motivated to hit the rank, grabe yan. In just 1 month or 2, baka puno na agad yung matrix natin. Klaro? So, yan na yan po yung gusto ko ipaalam sa inyo. Why? So, kung dati-rate, yung bonus pool is kami lang na diamond ang nakikinabang, dito kay Save Club, as early as 2-star or silver pa lang sa Live Good, nakikinabang na po kayo ng diamond ay bonus pool income. Ang tinatawag doon is global sales. Global ha, global, hindi po yung sales ng Pilipinas, kundi global sales ng buong mundo. Okay? So, dati, kaming mga diamond lang po nakikinabang sa Diamond Bonus Pool. Okay, makikita nyo dyan si Coach Harold, ako, and Coach Adonis. Makikita mo, iba-iba man yung earnings namin. Si Coach Harold is $20,000. Ako is $8,000. Si Coach Adonis is 4,000 ay $6,000. Pero pare-pareho po kami ng bonus pool of $2,288. Woohoo! Diba? Pinapalakpakan po yan, coaches. Grabe to. Imagine nyo po, as early as 20 katao, pwede na po kayong makinabang sa bonus pool. Ito na po yung hinaantay niyong kumpanya. Diba? Ito na po yung hinaantay niyong opportunity na pwede kayong kumita sa global shares. Okay? So, 4 easy step system natin. Approach, pwede mo ba akong magtanong? Okay? Nasa subscription business ako at naghahanap ako ng mga gustong mag-subscribe na potential na kumita. Okay? Then, share nyo po yung videos. Okay? Then, i-add nyo po yung upline nyo. Mag 3-way po tayo sa Messenger. Gawa po kayo ng GC. Then, pag nagustuhan, i-send nyo po yung landing page and lock in na po. Pera na po yan. Congratulations, coaches. Tapos na po ako. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Coach. Good evening.
Hello, hello, hello. Okay, question and answer tayo, coaches.